If you're looking to sell digital products online, you've probably heard about LeadPages. But is it the best tool for the job? In this quick tutorial, we're going to dive into how to sell digital products with LeadPages, and I'll give you a look at some alternatives that might serve your needs better. Stick around for that. Let's start with the basics. LeadPages allows you to create landing pages where you can showcase and sell your digital products. It's known for its drag and drop builder, which makes setting up a sales page super simple. Whether you're selling ebooks, courses, templates, or other digital downloads, LeadPages gives you the flexibility to design pages that convert. You can start by choosing a pre-designed template or create one from scratch. Either way, you're set for a quick launch. The second thing I want to mention is how LeadPages integrates with your email marketing tools. If you're using platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, LeadPages seamlessly syncs with them, helping you automate the process of reaching out to customers who opt in or make a purchase. But here's where it gets a little tricky. LeadPages can be a bit limited when it comes to in-depth email sequence setups. You might need to rely on third-party tools for more advanced automation. Next thing, let's talk payment options. LeadPages does support integrations with Stripe and PayPal, which makes it easy to set up payments on your digital product sales page. But while this sounds great, there's a catch. LeadPages doesn't have built-in functionality to manage subscriptions, memberships, or recurring payments. So, if you're selling a subscription-based product, you might find yourself needing to integrate other platforms to handle that part. Moving on to the fourth thing, conversion tracking. LeadPages gives you the ability to integrate with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for tracking conversions. This is crucial if you're running paid ads to sell your digital products. But the user interface for tracking conversions isn't as intuitive as it could be. You might spend some extra time setting up everything just to get the data you need, which could be a hassle if you're not super tech-savvy. Now, let's talk about design. LeadPages has some solid design tools, but it can be a bit restrictive when it comes to customization. If you want full creative control, you might feel a little limited. The templates are beautiful, but if you're looking to push boundaries or add custom elements, LeadPages may not be the best option for you. It's perfect for beginners, but not for advanced users who want deep customization. But before you make up your mind, here's the twist. While LeadPages is a solid option, there are alternatives out there that might be better for selling digital products. I'm talking about platforms like Kajabi or Kartra. These tools offer better overall functionality for selling digital products, especially if you're looking for things like built-in payment processing, membership management, and advanced marketing automation, all in one place. Here's the deal. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial for LeadPages, plus I've added some amazing alternatives that you can try out as well. These competitors might offer exactly what you need to grow your digital product business. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. If you're serious about selling digital products and want an all-in-one solution that goes beyond what LeadPages offers, make sure to check out the alternatives linked in the description. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try.